Hi, I'm April with WTI. Desperately searching for some peace and quiet? I was too until I got these wax earplugs by Peace and Quiet. These are just wonderful. As someone who struggles with chronic migraines and audio overstimulation, it can be hard to find the right solution. These wax earplugs are very multi-purpose. I found that they're moldable for any ear size, and I like that I can split them in half to extend their uses. I really appreciate that they rest nicely in the external part of the ear, not in the ear canal. This way they don't cause pressure in my ears, and they don't stick out of the ear, which makes it super comfortable for sleeping. I have found that they stay in place very well and provide me with a much better, quieter night's sleep. I also enjoy that they're waterproof as well, so I can use them in the shower to prevent water from entering my ears. These came as a 6-pack in 3 separate carrying cases, which makes these great for on the go. So no matter where I go, I now have control over how I hear. And that's my point of view.